Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Linksys extender and positioning it close to the router so signals reach during pairing. Log into your router interface or note the Wi-Fi SSID and password. You need them for authentication. If the extender had prior settings, reset it to default to avoid conflicts. Once done, watch the LED behavior until it's stable. This tells you the device is ready. Now open a browser or the Linksys app to begin the sync sequence and follow on-screen prompts. You'll connect your phone or laptop to the extender's temporary setup network so the device accepts configuration commands. Open 192, 168, 1 in a browser or launch the Linksys app. Both run a guided setup. Follow that wizard to scan nearby networks. Select your router's SSID and type the exact Wi-Fi password to authorize the extender to join the main network. Then pick a distinct extender name or keep default to identify the extended network. This determines how your devices will roam. You finalize by relocating the extender to a midpoint where both router and target area get good signal, then verify the status LED shows strong connection. Reconnect your devices to the extended SSID or the same SSID if using seamless roaming, and run a quick speed test to confirm improvement. If syncing fails, reboot router and extender first. Rerun the setup and ensure firmware is current. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily place devices closer to router during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.